Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on HTML form elements. And right now we'll be discussing about the HTML form select option elements. The option elements defines an option that can be selected. By default, the first item in the drop-down list is selected. And to define a pre-selected option, add the selected attribute to the option. So let me show you how this works quickly. Back to our document, we're having this in our previous tutorial. You can check our HTML form elements. You can check our HTML form element playlist, and also you can check our HTML input playlist also. So you can be able HTML form input playlist, so you can be able to understand how we got all this. And we did this in our HTML form elements. So you can check how we got this. There's no any magic in this. So I'm going to show you some stuff, some cool stuff you can do with this now. Now inside our option, let's say for instance now we remove this select statement because this is the code, right? Remove this select. So as we have removed this select, let's see how our options will look now. As you can see, we are having it like this now. Let's reload it. Can you see all our options is outside now? So let's now bring it back. Let's bring our select back. Let's close it back. Let's reload. Can you see everything is now inside our select, right? So that's the benefit of using this select statement. You are saying the select element. So now after that, we want to automatically in our browser, as you can see right here, the anwar is the first one, is the first element that is displaying right here. Let's say for instance now we want Adam to be the default element that it will select anytime people open this page. So we want Adam to be the first thing. So the thing we are going to do is that we are going to come inside the option right here and place select attribute, the selected attribute. So this selected attribute is taking no value again. It's only this selected value attribute you are going to place inside here. So when you place this like this and reload your document, it's not going to work right now. Let's say for instance we have one now. When we reload, it's supposed to change it to Adam automatically, but it's not going to work right now because that's how I think that's how it works. You have to close this and reload it just to confirm that what you did is working. Let's really open it. You're going to see Adam. Can you see now our Adam is showing right now automatically? So and also you can change this to if also if you want. You can change this to let's use if, yes, let's use if so you can understand what I'm talking about. Let's come back to this current document, reload. You are going to see that it's not going to change, right? So let's close it again. When we close it again and we open, I think that's how it works. So can you see now we are seeing it now? So whenever people open our page, this page now, it will automatically select the A for them instead of our default. By default, the first option is going to be the default one that is going to be selected. That's why whenever if you don't use this selected right here inside our option, the default one is going to be the anwar. So now let's reload our document and save it again and do the same thing. You can see when we reload, it's not selecting anwar yet. So let's close our document and reload our document so you can see what I'm trying to bring out right here. Let's open it again. Can you see anwar is the one that is the default because it's the first option inside our select options. So that's what I want to show you guys. Make sure you practice because practice makes perfect. I'm still going to show you some cool tricks in the future. Anwar akorede is my name. Have a great day. Thank you so much. Bye bye and